Hi guys, welcome back to Xoxo Charm. This is going to be my third basics video. We're going to be doing a vinaigrette tonight. I'm really excited about it. So we're going to go ahead, grab our olive oil here. Go ahead and just dump that in there. We're going to grab a dash of apple cider vinegar there. The rest of it is going to go ahead and be our red vinegar. And then I wanted to go ahead and put some salt in there. Essentially for this mixture, we're just gonna go ahead and mix it. And what I like to do is I like to go ahead and also add some black pepper. Black peppercorn makes it look beautiful for that beautiful finish of when you're done with your vinaigrette. And again, this is only for a serving of a small salad, a single serving of salad. This isn't for anything crazy big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. I'm mixing this into my bowl here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it into this same pan or the same container of my olive oil.